And myself is Mr. Sai On. So myself is MC and MTech graduate. I have been in this field last 25 years, guys. Okay, this is about my simple introduction, my qualification and my experience. And coming to the point here, first question I'm going to start with what is Salesforce? What is Salesforce? Before I'm going to discuss about what is Salesforce, let me write some names on the screen like Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, SAP. Microsystems. Microsystems are taken over by Oracle company. Like that, Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, SAP. What are all these? These are all vendor companies. Yes or no? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
These are all vendor companies, or I can say product-based companies. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. Company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company's CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. What is this? Cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Down the line, I will discuss. Please wait. Once again, I'm repeating the point, guys. Listen carefully. Microsoft, IBM, Oracle, SAP. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. The CEO of this company is Mark Benioff. This is the background history of Salesforce company. I hope all of you understand what is Salesforce now. Tell me for my satisfaction, what is Salesforce? Hello, guys. You can talk with me, no problem.
Vendor company.
Yeah, it's a vendor company. Runs on the concept name is what?
CRM.
Cloud computing, not
Cloud
CRM.
computing.
Cloud computing. Who is the CEO of this company? Mark Benioff. Understand?
Yeah, got it.
Good, good. So vendor companies are product-based companies. These are the companies that are developing software products that everybody knows. Software products like operating systems, programming languages. We have something like databases. Understand all of you. Operating systems, programming languages, databases. All these are what? Software products, some technologies. And we have something like packages. Clear all of you. So these are all what? Software products. Like Microsoft company developed one of the operating system name is called Windows operating system. For Windows operating system, who is a vendor? Microsoft is a vendor. IBM company developed one of the database product name is called DB2. DB2 is a database product just like Oracle. Like that, Oracle company developed one of the database product name is called Oracle. In case of Oracle, company name and product name both are same. Like coming to SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming. It's just like Java language only. Like that, technology. .NET is a technology that is developed by, again, Microsoft company. So technologies, packages, programming languages, databases, applications. Suppose take the example, Google is a vendor company. Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Gmail is an application. It is developed by Google company. According to my example of my understanding, according to my explanation of what you understand is, vendor companies are those companies, they developed software products like operating system. Someone need to mute. Thank you. Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, technologies, packages, everything. So those products developed by vendor companies. Using these products, there are another kind of companies in the market. Those people we can call them as service-based companies. Service-based companies. And we can also call them as what? Development companies. Development companies are those companies are developing what? Software applications as per the requirement of whom here? Clients. Okay, guys. Once again, I'm repeating. Vendor companies are those kind of companies are developing what? Software products. Using those products, service-based companies are development companies developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. Is any one of you please tell me what are the development companies in the market?
CTS, TCS.
Wipro.
Capgemini, Wipro. These people we can call them as what?
Service-based companies.
Service-based companies. And those companies can be called as vendor companies. In IT industry, there are two types of companies, guys. One is service-based companies. The second type of company can be called as vendor companies. Vendor companies developing software products. Using those products, service-based companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. I hope you understand this point clearly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So who are the clients here? Yeah. Go ahead.
yeah, can you give me an example? I mean, what is application? I mean, development like?
Suppose take the example of banking application. Suppose if you go to any bank, are they using the software applications to run the business? Speak out.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Every day we are using so many applications. BookMyShow application. BookMyShow is an application or not?
Yes,
Using
sir.
that application, what we can do? Can you book the tickets through online?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Are you using net banking application?
Yes, sir.
Mobile banking application?
Yes, sir.
Are you using PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm?
Yes.
What
Yeah,
are all
yeah.
these? They're all software applications. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
So these are the applications are using by whom here? Clients to run their business. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
clients are the people, they are the business people here. Okay, they are using the applications in their business. They are doing some banking business, clients. They
Yes,
are
sir.
doing some telecom business. They are doing
Yeah.
some automobile business. Yes or no? They are doing
Yes.
some business. They are doing some hospital business. They are doing education. Yes or no? Education business. There are different types of businesses in the market, like banking, telecom, automobile, hotels, hospitals, education institutes, shopping malls. Yes or no? There are so many different types of businesses are there in the market. Madhumita, am I audible? Can you hear my voice?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good, good. Thank you. So banking, coming to banking here, coming to banking, you know about ICSA Bank. Telecom industries, we have something like Airtel, Vodafone. Automobile industries like Tata, Maruti Suzuki. I'm talking about Indian market. Hyundai. Okay. Like hotels like Taj Banjaras, Taj Group of Hotels. Hospitals like Apollo Hospitals. Air Hospitals, King's Hospitals. Education institutes like JNTU. So these people we can call them as clients. So clients are going to use applications in their business. So according to my example, according to my explanation, what you understand is, listen carefully and try to understand. In total IT industry, in total IT industry, in total IT market, there are three important key players. How many important key players in IT industry? three important key players. There are three important key players. So who is the first player here? Speak out.
Vendor company,
Vendor
service
company.
company,
Yes.
Service
Development company.
business.
Third no. And who is the third player?
Client.
The complete, see guys, the complete game is rotating between these three people only. The complete game is rotating between these three people only. Vendor companies, development companies, and whom here? Clients. Vendor companies developing what? Software products. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. This is how the game is rotating between all the three people. Am I clear with this part of my explanation?
yes sir,
So in IT industry overall, how many important persons are there? Three
three
important.
important,
Vendor companies, development companies, and clients. Is this clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So development companies need to develop the project for the client point of view. Yes or no? Suppose, listen carefully and try to understand. I have a ABC company, guys. What is my company name? Speak out.
ABC,
ABC.
This company is going to start maybe next year. For my company activities and all, I need some software application. I need some, what is this? Software application. Now I given this project to a company called. So tell me guys, TCS is a development company or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this development company need to develop the project as per the ABC company requirement. So TCS point of view, who is ABC? ABC is a client or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So TCS need to develop the application or need to develop the project as per the ABC company requirement. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Now tell me a simple question I'm asking here. In this particular example, TCS need to develop the application as per the client requirement. Now TCS decided to develop the application using .NET technology. Using which technology? .NET technology.
.NET.
So at this particular point of time, TCS need to buy original licensed software, .NET original licensed software from vendor company or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, for .NET original software, who is the vendor company?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. So cost around 10 lakhs approximately. The original software costs how much? Approximately 10 lakhs. So here in this example, TCS invested 10 lakhs. They bought .NET original software from Microsoft company. And also they need some database. So TCS decided to use Oracle as a database for this backend. Now TCS need to buy original licensed software from vendor company. Which software? Oracle software. For Oracle software, who is the vendor company?
Oracle.
Oracle is the vendor.
Oracle.
Understand all of you. Oracle is the vendor company. This cost around approximately 15 lakhs. Now tell me, in this particular example, overall TCS invested how much here? Approximately 25 lakhs. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So TCS invested 25 lakhs. They developed the project as per the company requirement, as per the SBC company requirement. Now tell me, is TCS can use Oracle software and .NET software lifelong forever and ever? Should not.
No.
No.
Okay, they will give the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years. After 5 years, again, TCS need to renew the software or not? Yes, sir. Speak out.
Yes.
They have to renew the software.
Yes.
Renew the software, again, they have to keep on investing the money. That is why, in this particular example, what you understand is, not only development company, even client also need to invest. So both the clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on, what is this? Installing the software. They need to keep on what? What is this?
Maintaining.
Maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintaining. The comprising of all this comes under what? Setup cost will increase day by day, like anything for both clients and as well as what development companies. These are the three major problems companies are going to face, both clients and as well as development companies. That is why among these three persons, vendor companies, development companies, clients, among these three persons, who will get the more business? Tell me. Vendor companies, obviously. Vendor companies keep on getting the business from both clients and as well as what development companies. That is why among these three companies, vendor company owners are the most wealthiest persons in the world. Yes or no?
Yes.
Obviously, suppose if you type top 10 billionaires in the world in the Google, out of 10, minimum 3 to 4 people belongs to vendor company owners.
Yeah.
Correct or wrong? Tell me.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, correct.
Microsoft company owner Bill Gates. Oracle company owner Larry Ellison. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Facebook owner Mark Zuckerberg. Sir, no. Who are these people? Vendor company owners. Clear? Why? Because vendor companies getting more profit, more revenue, more business from both clients and as well as what? Development. Why? Because in traditional model, in traditional approach, both clients and as well as development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software. They need to maintaining the software. So upgradation, maintenance, installation, everything will be taken care of by clients and as well as development companies. Is this point clear what I'm speaking here?
Yes.
Yes or no? It leads to what? It leads to what? A setup cost. It leads to what? A setup cost. Cost is going to increase day by day, like anything for both clients and as well as development companies. Because of the setup cost, only top level companies or premium level companies. Which companies? Top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Take out. Software applications in their business, but not small companies. For your understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. Listen carefully and try to understand. I hope all of you know about KFC. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good, guys. I hope all of you know about KFC. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to the KFC. Suppose I ordered one burger. Tell me. Then there is a person who is standing in front of the system. He takes my order. He enters the order into the system. He gives some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. It means that if you go to the KFC restaurant, they are using software applications in their business. Yes or no? They are having its own software. They are having its own systems. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Good. And in there is a small bakery here. Suppose I'm going to the bakery, same burger I ordered in the bakery. Understand, all of you? And the bakery owner takes my order and gives the order to me. He does not maintain any systems and all. Why? Because bakery owner having only one branch, but whereas KFC has what? Lots of branches across the globe. KFC company turnover in crores, business turnover. Whereas bakery owner, only one branch. Maximum turnover is thousands or lakhs. That is why the bakery owner is not in the position to afford what? Of course. Am I clear this point what I'm speaking here, guys? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this particular example, I can say KFC is a premium level company, whereas bakery is a small company. So according to this example, what you understand is small companies, they do not use what? Come on, all of you. Software applications. Only top level companies are using software applications. Why not small companies? Because they are caring about what?
Cost. Hello.
Cost. They cannot afford cost here. Is this clear, everyone? Now tell me,
Yes.
if you reduce the cost, you reduce the setup cost, then automatically customers will increase their noise. Excuse me, don't make noise. Customer will, what is this? Increase.
Please.
If customers are increasing, then automatically you'll get more profit or not, more business.
Yes.
Yes or no? How to reduce the cost? How to reduce the setup cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept, a new technology. Name is called cloud computing. What is this?
Cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, it is a technology, or I can say it's a concept. This concept or in this technology, whatever IT services we need, everything provided by vendor company, as a user, we just need internet connection and access those. What is this? It is. Try to understand. Cloud computing is a concept and a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by whom here? Speak out.
Vendor.
Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access
Internet
to
connection.
services. And how much services we are using? For that service, we are using to pay. This is called a pay-per-use mode. Or I can say the other way around, plug and play. What is this? Or IT services on demand. There are three names, guys, here. Understand? IT services on demand. Pay-per-use model means the name itself implies pay-per-use. How much services we are using? For that service only, we need to pay. You don't need to pay anything extra. To whom? To vendor company. Why we need to pay? Because they are providing the services. What kind of services they are providing? Vendor company provides three types of services over the cloud. Or the, what is this? Cloud. Over the cloud means over the internet. Here, all of you. What is the service? What are the services here? Anyone knows?
Data storage.
IaaS. Second one is what?
PA.
SaaS.
SaaS.
Third one is called SaaS or IaaS. IaaS stands for
Infrastructure as a service.
infrastructure as a service. Here, PaaS stands for
Platform as a service.
platform as a service. PaaS stands for software
Software
as a service, or I can say application as a service. Both are same. Okay, what is a common word in all the three?
As a service.
As a service.
As a service. They are providing the services here. What is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? Infrastructure as a service means here, listen to the class carefully. Here, vendor company provides hardware as a service. To whom?
To clients.
And development companies is known as what is this? Infrastructure as a service. Everybody please read this carefully. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides what? Hardware as a service to the clients and development companies. Known as infrastructure as a service. Hardware as a service means what? Are they providing any laptops or systems? Or
No,
any
the
iPads?
server
Hardware.
or operating system.
Hardware means what? They are providing servers. They are providing networking. They are providing their memory space. Understand all of you? Speak out. All comes under what here? Hardware. Am I clear at this point?
Yes.
That is called what? Infrastructure as a service. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. I hope all of you know about Google Drive. Or no?
Yes, sir.
So, in the Google Drive, can we upload our own files?
Yes.
We can upload our files, our pictures, yes or no? Or any kind of things, anything. You can anything we can do. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me a simple question I'm asking. Someone need to mute noise from you. That is whose side? Don't make noise while listening to class. It is getting dismissed for other people also. So Google Drive, I hope you know. In the Google Drive, we can upload your files, pictures, clippings, whatever you want. Yes or no? Tell me, your files will store in where? In the Google Drive. So this is the space, memory space, given by whom?
Google.
So in this, Google company provided their memory space to all of us, where we can load our files. Yes or no?
Okay.
Yes.
So memory space means hardware or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I can say this kind of service can be called as what? Infrastructure as a service. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. What is second one here? Platform as a service. Listen to the point very carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here. Excuse me. As a developer, if you want to develop any application, whether it's a small application or bigger application, whatever application you want to develop, listen carefully. You need minimum 3 things. How many things? 3 things. That is what? Operating system you require, and also we require some programming language, and also we need some database. Without operating system, without programming language, without having database, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. Or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So platform as service means here, vendor company provides what?
Operating system,
Platform.
Operating system,
programming language,
and a database. And what? Database.
Sir, hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Database comes under infrastructure, right, sir?
No, that is platform only. Database is also software. Database is also a software. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what is the difference between server and the database, sir? Both are.
Server means memory, hardware. Database server, it's a machine. Where we can also store our database. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without hard drive, where we can store the database? Hard drive. Hard drive is hardware or not? Hard disk.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So here the hard disk is mentioned as server, correct? Like pen drives.
Like that you can understand. Hardware, peripheral things, everything comes under hardware. Clear?
Yeah, okay, got it.
As a service to the clients and development companies is known as what? Speak out.
Platform
Platform
as
as
a
a
service.
service.
At this particular point of time, listen carefully, all of you, and try to understand what I'm speaking here. The platform name which is given by Salesforce. The platform name which is given by Salesforce is called force.com. Is anybody hear this name?
No, sir.
What is the platform name given by Salesforce?
Force.com.
Force.com is the platform name. That is the old name actually. New name. Is this?
Lightning platform.
platform. Old name is force.com. The new name is what? Lightning platform. Am I clear this point?
Yes, sir.
On this platform, developers can develop the application as per the client requirement. Listen carefully and try to understand. Salesforce given very strongest platform for the developer on which developer can develop the application very quickly and very fastly. That is why it can be called as a RAD. What is RAD stands for? Rapid
application development.
Rapid application development. What is the meaning of the rapid?
Fast.
Faster.
Fast.
Quick.
Quick application development. The people who know about Java or .NET, listen carefully. If you want to develop any enterprise application, actually enterprise application is the combination of 3 different applications, guys. One is business application, a CRM application, plus integration application. Understand all of you? The combination of all these 3 applications, we call it as what? Enterprise application. If you want to develop any enterprise application,
Excuse me, sir, but what exactly the enterprise application?
enterprise application combination of 3 applications: business application, CRM application, integration application. Business application handles the business activity. CRM application, customer relationship management, it is going to handle the customers. Integration application is going to communicate with the heterogeneous application. Heterogeneous application means you know about bookmaker application, yes or no? Speak out.
Yes.
I have the account in HDFC Bank. Suppose I want to go to a movie.
Yes.
I book the ticket through bookmaker. If I book the ticket through bookmaker, my amount gets deducted from my account or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? My amount gets deducted
Yeah.
from my account, and I will get the SMS on my mobile from HDFC Bank. I will get the SMS on my mobile from HDFC Bank. 150 rupees debited from your account. Yes or no?
Yes.
And also, I got the confirmation message from bookmaker application, SMS, saying that your ticket has got confirmed on so and so date, on so and so movie, on so and so time, and so and so theater, and so and so day. Yes or no? So I will get the SMS from bookmaker also. Now tell me and try to understand here. Bookmaker application, let us assume they developed on Java technology. Let us assume HDFC Bank application developed on what? .NET technology. Here what happens is, both are completely different technologies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
But even though both are completely different technologies, bookmaker application is going to communicate with what?
HDFC.
HDFC Bank payment gateway. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Speak out.
Yes, sir.
From there, my amount gets deducted and I got the confirmation message. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So even though completely different applications, they can communicate with each other to perform the transaction completely, successfully. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
How it is possible? How it is possible? Because between these 2 applications, there is another application plays an important role. That application name is called what? Integration application. So here integration application plays a vital role. Because of this application, these 2 different applications are communicating with each other. Okay, all of you understand?
Yeah.
And to complete the transaction successfully. This is the role of what? Integration application. If you want to develop this kind of integration applications, CRM application, business application, combination of all these 3 applications, we can call it as what?
Enterprise application.
Enterprise application. What kind of enterprise application, if you want to develop with Java language or Java technology, at least you take minimum 4 to 5 years time to develop the entire application. Even .NET also same, almost same. But the same application, if you want to develop on Force.com platform of Salesforce, at least minimum, maximum 8 to how much time? 10 months time. But whereas Java and .NET,
4 to 5 years.
4 to 5 years. Where is 4 to 5 years? Where is it 8 to 10 months? There is no comparison at all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that according to this example, what you understand is we can develop the application on Force.com platform very quickly, comparatively what other technologies. That is the reason from client point of view, I'm talking here. From client point of view, project maintenance cost is reduced or not?
Yes, sir.
If you go Java and .NET, client has to pay the salaries for all the employees from day one to what? Last day. Yes or no? How many years? Years together. For the same application, if you want to develop on Force.com, we can develop the application with a span of what? Below 1 year. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So according to client point of view, project maintenance cost is reduced or not? Yes or no? Speak out, guys.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, among these three technologies, client always interested to go for where? Salesforce side or Java.NET? All of you understand? That is why Salesforce given one of the most strongest platform is called Force.com, on which developers can develop the application very quickly. I hope you understand this point clearly. Yes,
I have a small question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So why Force.com is very fast compared to Java.NET? Because Java.NET where the technologies exist since we have the software in the IT.
Yeah.
But what is the difference between Force.com and Java.NET?
What is your name?
Purushottam.
Purushottam, are you working?
Yeah.
Okay. On which technology?
I'm working on data warehousing technologies.
Informatica?
Yeah, Informatica, Teradata.
Informatica, Teradata also. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Fine. Suppose you take Java. Java coding part is more or not?
Yeah, it's more.
Generally speaking.
Quite complex too. Yeah.
Very quite complex, and coding part is more. Very simple. This is front end. Okay. So Java also following MVC architecture, model view controller. Okay. This is view part. This is controller part. And the last one is what? Model part. Model part means database. Java people for view part, they are using JSP. Controller, they are using Java language. Backend database, they are using Oracle. But everybody knows. Especially you, I am talking. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Suppose if the end user wants to enter the data into the database, Oracle, or if the end user wants to fetch the data from the database using Java language, using Java technology, at least that kind of functionality, if you want to give to the end user, minimum developer need to write a minimum 300 lines of code. How many?
Yeah.
Minimum 300 lines code. Because they need to use some, they need to download, they need to include some 3 different packages. Yes or no? And they need to write some Jdbc coding, Java database connectivity coding. Minimum to minimum 300 lines of code. Okay, Purushottam. The same kind of functionality by using Force.com platform, we can complete within 30 lines of code. I'll show you right now.
Okay.
You can really astonish, I can say.
Same thing going on with Python as well, right? These days.
Yeah, Python is not completely meant for to develop a complete enterprise application. Using Python, we can't develop integration application. We can't develop CRM application. We can't develop any other application. Okay, Python is only supporting technology. We cannot develop the full-fledged ERP application, enterprise application, using Python.
Okay.
Python is only meant for supporting technology. That's it. Supporting for what data science. It's supporting for artificial intelligence, or it is supporting for machine learning. It's only supporting technology. Using Python alone, we cannot develop the entire enterprise application. That is not at all possible. Point clear?
Okay.
Trainingrans.com, training. Okay, Impact Tech. Okay, fine. Open the Impact Tech only. No problem.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, sir, this is Kalpana from Karnataka. Today I joined the class, sir.
Okay.
What about the previous classes? This is the second class or third class?
The
I
first
don't
class
know.
only.
First class, okay, okay. How many months, sir? Training, I mean, classes 3 months course or 2
3
months
months.
course? 3 months. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Minimum because of 6 modules I am going to cover. How many modules?
6.
Module.
So,
1 minute, please. Let me get the clarity. Click on preview button. Tell me, is this front-end screen or not? Front-end form, user interface,
Yeah.
or no?
Yeah, that's right.
On save button. Records get saved or not? In the employee subject. Purushottam,
Yeah.
90,000 manager, department number 10.
Yeah.
Tell me, if you want to get this kind of functionality from front end to back end connectivity and pushing the data from front to back, yes or no? In Java or .NET, at least minimum 300 lines of code you have to write. Okay, Purushottam?
Mm-hmm.
The same functionality I can complete within how many lines? 31 lines. Just 31 lines. Even not even 31 lines, less than 30.
This is Apex. Okay.
Apex with Visual Force. VFP, data Visual Force page.
Okay.
Point clear? So
Got it.
obviously what will happen? Obviously you can develop the project very quickly. Then what? Other technologies. Writing 300 lines of code, you have to take minimum 3 hours, 4 hours time. Writing 30 lines of code, you can write in 10 minutes.
Okay.
Isn't it?
And, so you may cover in the end, I guess, but what are the languages as a prerequisites we need to have to start with Salesforce?
If you already know something, so what is the role of mine?
Yeah, I mean, let's say like to start with the database, like we need to have a SQL.
Any knowledge. You do not require any knowledge of Purushottam.
Okay.
Of course, you're already having some knowledge on database or any programming language, that is okay, no problem. If you don't know anything, that is double okay.
Okay, point clear.
Okay, because everything I will be taking care of on my side.
You said it's 2 months course, right?
3 months.
3 months. Okay.
The 6 modules I'm going to cover.
So classes from 7 to 8 or 7:30 to 8:30, sir?
Actually, today because of Zoom meeting have some problem. Actually, 7 to 8 only.
7 to 8. Okay. Sunday, holiday, sir?
Saturday, week 6 days a week. Sunday is a holiday.
Okay. Saturday, 6 o'clock. Okay, okay.
can we get recordings of these classes? Nishan this side, sir.
Yeah, we will provide the recordings, running material, interview questions, everything we will provide. Okay.
Sir, Nishan this side.
Hello, sir. This is Madhumati.
Yeah, Madhumati.
Sir, I have already been in a Salesforce testing now presently. So how this course will be helpful for manual testing people?
Oh, you're in testing side or not?
Yeah, Salesforce testing. Join to.
Why didn't you go for development side? You will get more future.
Actually, what happened is like I have 5 years experience and 4 years of career break. So a couple of months
No
back,
issues,
I
no
got
issues.
an
You already have some knowledge on Salesforce and all Salesforce. And
No, presently I'm working in Salesforce domain. I don't have knowledge earlier.
Yeah, that's why what I'm trying to tell is better to go, okay, testing is okay, but testing side, you will not get more opportunities. Okay. My suggestion is better to go for development side or admin side.
Okay, fine.
Sir, Nishant is sir.
See, if you have any doubts regarding any other issues apart from the subject, we will talk tomorrow because I'm running out of my time. I have another session immediately.
Sir, what are the topics we are going to learn? Can we have any brochure?
They will provide the brochure to you.
Real time project, sir, just because I have to use the fake.
Sorry?
Actually, you will teach real time project just because I have to use fake to your fake, sir.
Yeah, if you want, I will provide the project also at the end of the syllabus.
Okay, that's fine. And currently, sir, currently I'm working in a management, sir. So this course will help to get a better job.
Definitely, you are just like Madhumita only, sir. No? Okay, everybody can learn, no problem. Even testing people, already developers, non-IT people, IT people, everybody can learn, no problem.
It is mainly for application development, sir.
Yeah, application development.
Okay.
Also.
Sir, one last question, like which is very boom in market today, Selenium or Salesforce?
We should not compare the Selenium with Salesforce, Madhu. Hello?
Sir, the reason for this?
Sorry?
Why we should not compare it?
Yes, Selenium is automation tool. Salesforce is not a tool. Na?
Okay.
How can you compare Selenium with Salesforce? Selenium is a tool. Salesforce is not a tool.
Okay. It's an application. Okay.
No, Salesforce is a cloud computing technology. Salesforce is a company, runs on cloud computing, given Forge.com platform, on which you can develop the complete enterprise application. Selenium is only just meant for what? It's a tool which is meant for what? Automation testing. Yes or no? So how can we compare?
Okay.
Understand, Madhu?
Sir, how much package can a fresher expect from Salesforce?
Okay, you're talking about package. Yeah, you don't know about subject. You're thinking about package.
Yeah, just asking, sir.
Minimum, I can say minimum 2 years experience or 1.5 year experience. At least minimum 4.5.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay.
Sai, I live in US and people from DURGASOFT cannot reach out to me even through email. Do you mind sharing your email ID so that I can personally reach out to you for tomorrow?
1 minute.
To join the class.
Because I'm running out of time, the people are waiting for me. 1 minute, guys. I'll give you. Note down a number 95534. You have pen and paper?
Yeah. 95534.
95534, 95532.
95532. Is this your number or DURGASOFT number?
My number, personal number. 95534.
95534 and 95532, right?
Yeah. It looks like a call center number only. You can easily remember. No problem.
Sir, may I give one answer, sir? Somebody asked about the package, so may I give an answer?
You?
Yeah, like just because of my brother, younger brother is working in a Salesforce and he had 3-year experience, and his salary is nearly 50 plus, sir. 15 plus, sir.
Because he's having 3.5 years experience.
Right.
He is asking about a fresher.
Okay.
That depends on the company also.
Yeah, right, sir.
There are so many factors involving getting 15 lakhs per year.
Yeah, right, sir.
Sir, he's more talented, he's more skilled.
Yeah, right, sir.
That depends on the company also.
Right.
Okay,
Sai,
guys.
yeah, you have any email ID?
Vijay, VIJAY.
Okay.
Prakash, PRACASH. CASH, cash.
Oh, CASH. Okay.
2019.
Okay.
At Gmail.
And one last question, like here in US, Salesforce jobs are like plenty of them are based on remote. Why is that? Why is the case like they are offering remote here?
Remote in the sense?
Work from home.
Because maybe COVID problem, Because of
before
this.
COVID too, like the reason like I'm taking for Salesforce is like they're providing many of jobs are like they are offering like for
That I
work
could
from
not
home.
able. That I don't know. What is the reason why they're working remotely?
So is it the case like it can be worked anywhere, and it doesn't dependency is not there with the collaborating with
Because
the
it
team?
is a cloud. We can log in and work from anywhere. No problem.
Got it. And
Understood.
does it need any collaboration with the team developing applications, or is it minimal?
Yeah, obviously.
Mhm. Obviously, there is no need with the collaboration with the team. You mean to say?
Obviously, they need.
Oh, they need. Okay, got it. So tomorrow the same time, sir.
Same
The
time,
class
7
will
o'clock. Same time, 7
Okay.
o'clock. Okay. I'll catch you tomorrow. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Sir, hello.
Thanks.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, this recording will be available where, sir? For
Please ask to the Durga management, man.
okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.